Welcome to the MyEducation Advanced Gradebook. This video covers setting preferences, linking courses, adding categories and assignments, and end-of-term reporting. To simplify setting preferences, here are some recommendations for teachers. See Appendix B in the documentation for more information on preference setting. Click Set Preferences, click the Gradebook tab. Choose Shade Alternate Lines. Choose Track Administrator Updates. Set tab direction to across. Pressing Enter will move your cursor down in the gradebook. Enable gradebook features must be chosen. Choose assignment column order, date due, ascending. Choose show points in headers. If you use categories, show categories names in headers. Show student alerts to see IEP students or other concerns. Choose one decimal place under averages. Choose the provincial mark scale final marks, grade scale. If you would like a running score, choose cumulative average. Under default weighting, there are 4 choices. Your default weighting choice controls the math that calculates a student's grade. Take time to choose your default average weighting. Do you want to use categories and bins to weight your gradebook? If no, the simplest choice is total points. If you would like to weight your categories, choose category total points. If you would like a more complicated gradebook that calculates weights on categories and assignments, choose categories and assignments. Refer to Appendix A in the written documentation for more information. Setting your class details. Gradebook top tab, choose your course, details side tab. You can change the course nickname of a course so that it's more easily identifiable. You can also link courses for categories and assignments. This way, when you add a category or an assignment to a course, it will also be added to the link course. Once you've linked the courses, give the link sections a name and click Save. If you choose to use categories, you can add a new category by clicking on the Gradebook top tab, selecting the course, and choosing the Categories side tab. Choose Options, Add to create a new category. Categories have a short name called code, a description, as well as a weight. Choosing weights that represent percentages may make this easier. There are also a set of assignment defaults for each category. These will populate any assignment you put in that category. Provincial marks grade scale should be chosen. Choose an entry mode, like numeric only. Tick if scores cannot be dropped. And check if you have this category linked to other courses. Clicking on the Category side tab again will show you a list of your categories. To add an assignment to a course, click the Gradebook top tab. Choose your course and click on the Assignment side tab. Choose Options, Add Assignment. If you use categories, the first choice will be to choose the category. When you do that, assignment defaults will populate the right-hand side of the screen. The gradebook column name is a shortened name for the assignment that will appear in the Scores side tab. Assignment name could be a longer name, which will show up on reports. Set the total points. If the course is linked to another course, make sure also add this assignment to link courses is selected. Clicking Save and New will allow you to immediately create another assignment. Click Save to exit. To record student scores, choose the Gradebook top tab, select the course, and choose the Scores side tab. Ensure that Grade Columns is set to All, and that the term is set to the appropriate term. In this example, we have 2 assignments, Chapter 1 and Chapter 2 test, in Quarter 4. Scores can be entered by selecting the appropriate box. The tab or enter key can be used to move up or across. Scores are immediately saved as they are entered. If you enter a score that is greater than the point total, you will get a message which says, this score you entered exceeds the maximum possible. This score should be corrected as it will be counted as 0. In our example, once we have all the scores entered, we will have a Q4 term mark and a cumulative mark, which is the result of all the scores from quarter 3 and quarter 4. At the end of the term, we can take the Q4 and cumulative marks and put them into the report card. Choose Grade Columns Post Columns Term. Choose the appropriate term, in this case Q4. We're going to fill the Q4 grade and final. Choose Options, Update Post Columns. Choose Grade Term, Q4. Click Next. To get our Q4 grade, we will change that to Average Q4. To get our final mark, we will choose Average Cumulative. Click Next. Click Finish. This will populate the Q4 grade and the final grade in our post column. Please refer to the Hub for more resources about end of term and teacher comments.